Hello my students, grade 3, how are you? Today we'll explain lesson number 6, topic 6. Apply properties area of irregular shapes like compound. Okay, we can find now the area of compound divided into parts to find the area. First will be rectangle or square. You know the area of square side by side, and area of rectangle equal length times width. You can use properties to find the area of irregular shapes by breaking the shape into smaller parts. Look at here. Miss Markham's disc is shaped like the picture below. The length of each side is shown in feet. Find the area of Miss Markham's disc. Look at here. About this, you can divide this compound about two parts like this. Draw line segment. Find the area of first rectangle 3 times 7 21. The area of square 3 times 29, and then connect together 21 plus 9 equals 30. The area will be square 30 square feet. Okay. Then it is a solution. The area of rectangle is 3 times 7 equals 21 square feet. The area of square equals side by side. 3 times 3 is 9. It will be 9 square feet. So the area of Miss Markham's disc is 21 plus 9 equals 30 square feet. Okay. How can you check your answer? Is there more than one way to solve this problem? Yes, sure. You can check the work by breaking apart about rectangle. Identify the dimensions of each rectangle, finding the area of each rectangle, and then find the sum of the areas. There is more than one way to break the shape into rectangles. How can you find the area of irregular shape? Now we can divide it any method. You can divide the vertical about rectangle, rectangle, and rectangle, and then find the area of each one. To find first way like this, you can divide it. To find the parameter, you must find the outside or outer side, and the area of the shape we can divide like this: A, B, and C, and then collect together. Use structure. Find another way to divide putting green into smaller rectangle. Explain how you can find the area of putting green using your smaller rectangles. About work, we can find the answer like this: divided or count all square. Count here. You can count how many square. Sum of the area of rectangles is always be 56 square units. Count all square inside. You can find the area about count all square. Now we can find the area about this also by divided it like this, right? 2 dimension divided from here. Okay. First rectangle 5 times 2 equals 10, and second will be 2 product by 3 equals 6. Is this length to this place will be 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Then the area will be 16 square inches. Explain why you can find the area. The putting green on the previous pages is using different rectangle. The total area of putting green stays the same. The smaller rectangle can have different areas, but their sum is still the sum or the same. Next question, explain what operation you use to find the total area of the smaller rectangle. Because the smaller rectangle are in equal groups. I use addition. We can use addition property like this. We can find the area about divided and area 1 and area 2. Area 1 3 times 4 is 12. Area 2 6 here product by 6 because this dimension will be 6. 6 times 6 36. 3 times 4 12. 12 plus 36 equal 48 square centimeter. Now we can find the area about first one by divided it. And now I will help you to find the answer. Okay, listen to me about steps here about this question. First, we can divide it. Look at here from this part. Divided this part. The length was 2 dimension 2 and 4 about down rectangle. This rectangle 2 times 4. The area about up. This dimension will be what? 3 minus 2 1. Then we have square up. The square. The area 1 by 1. It will be 8 plus 1 equal 9 square centimeter. The area will be 9 square centimeter. Now below we can find the area also divided from this part. Area about first 3 times 5 here 2 dimensions 3 and 5. 3 times 5 15, and the area about square 1 by 1 equal 1, and the answer will be 16 square centimeter. 16 square centimeter. Okay, this is the area about this shape. Question. We have also here we can find the area two dimension, 1 times 1 equal 1, and here 1 times 1 equal 1. The area of rectangle 2 times 4, 8. We can collect together 1 plus 8 plus 1. 2 times 4 equal 8. Okay, and here 1 times 1 equal 1. And here also 1 times 1, but this dimension we can collect. This is 4 plus this part, 4 plus 1, 9. This part will be divided. This will be what? It will be converted from 4 to 9. This number, 4 plus 1, it will be 5. This means it will be 5, okay? About down, I will divide it like this. From the piece, it will be 5 and the least 2. 5 times 2 equal 10. Then, look at here, two rectangles, the first up and second. The first here, we can write this line segment 5. 5 times 2 equal 10. And 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. In the area will be 12 square inches. Also about this question, we can find the area about first. 4 times 5 equal 20. About up, 4 product by 5, and down 1 times 4 equal 4. Right, 20 plus 4 equal 24. Then the area will be 24 square centimeter. Next question, solving problem. Miss Kendall is making a model house like this. House footprint for its house is showing. That's right, like this. What is the total area and explain the reason? We can find the total area like this. Divided this shape about this place. Look at here. About first rectangle 9 times 24. 9 product by 24. Okay. And the area of second product by 8. 9 times 4, 4 times 9, 36, right, 6, and the carry out 3. 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 3 equal 21. And 8 times 8 equals 64. You can collect 4 plus 6, 10, 0, and the carry out 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1 equal 8, and write 2. The result will be 280. 280, okay? Then 200 is square inches. The simple answer, I divided the living section into 3 rectangles and found the area of each. 8 times 9, 72, and 8 times 9 also 72. He can divide it from here, this part, area 1, and area 2, and area 3, okay? First, 8 times is 64, or he can divide it like this. 8 times 9, 8 product by 9, like this, 8, and this means 24 here, divided from this, and just look at here what he write here is answer. You can solve this example by another method like this. You can divide the reception about 3 parts like this. Area 1, 8 product by 9, and 8 product by 9 here, 8 product by 72, and 72, 72, and 8 times 8 equals 64, and then you can collect together, or you can divide it, this reception here, put reception and divide it down this room and area about room, first room, for 8 times 4 equals 64, and area of reception will be nice times 24, and then collect together, the result will be 280. You can use any method to find the answer about divided. Look at here, fill in the blanks. Main defines the area of this shape by dividing into rectangle. Bill gets the same anyway by counting unit squares. Algebraic equation, use equation mark represents the unknown equation. In quantity for phrase 6 times a number is 24. 6 times what equal 24? 6 times 4 equal 24. Then the number here will be 4. Order thinking. Look at here. Mr. Dunsley used 3 inches square tiles to make design and write like this. What is the area of design he made, and explain how you found it. The area will be what we can write. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 square. Area of each one will be 3 by 3 equal 9. Then 9 times 8 equals 72. The area will be 72. Why? Area will be 72 inches. Simple answer, I found the area of 1 times 3 times 3, 9 square inches, and multiplied that area by the number of tiles to find the total area. 9 times 8 equals 72. So first step, you must count how many square here? 8, and the area of each one 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Then the area will be 72 square inches. Number 13. or draw the figure right like this. Draw line. We can draw number line or draw line segment to divide this rectangle to square. The area will be 6 times 4 is 24 and 3 times 3 9, and then collect together. 6 product by 4 equal 24 and 3 times 3 9, then we can collect together. The result will be 33 square inches. The answer here will be letter D. Correct answer. Okay.